So I'm Jayaprakash Nambaru. I'm founder of IGO Green Foundation, and I'm also the district chairman for Preserve Planet Earth initiative in Rotary District 3150. So today is World Environment Day. So once upon a time in 1972, first time people asked government also to think about environment and pollution and people safety. So that is the importance of today's. So now we are seeing a new government and new states in Andhra as well as India. So we look forward to governments thinking about environment properly. But when government is trying to, when government have a duty to avoid pollution, people also should support by avoiding wastage. We are 100 crore people, so we can be the role model for the world. So in every house, every institution, every office, we should try to avoid wastage, and to start with, it is power wastage. So we have come up with one program called Energy Smart India. In this program, any school, any office, any college, they will track monthly current bills in every section, and every month whoever consumes less current in the section will be given an Energy Smart Student of the Month, Energy Smart Staff of the Month award, a badge which can be rotation based, so every month the best person will get it. In this simple process, we have observed since last 1 year that easily 5,000 units of power is saved per school. So with this great opportunity, if we move forward, if you are inspired, just get ready to spend 2 hours in a month, just 2 hours in a month, and we can save 5,000 units of power. And we are here with a website, igogreenfoundation.org. On the home page, you will see Energy Smart India link, and you can open and register yourself as a volunteer. You can download the format, how to execute this program in the school, and now Rotary and IGO Green Foundation came up with a supporting awareness video also, so you can download that also. With all these resources, sitting anywhere in India, even abroad, you can definitely participate in this program. Let us save this planet from wastage and then create the advantage of population, not the disadvantages. So we are inspiring people to adopt good lifestyles, wastage free lifestyles. So we thank Kashyap, the badminton star of India, and Ramesh Prasad Garu, the CEO of IMAX, which is a green theatre in India with 100 kV power production, for being part of this motivating video called Clean Production and Avoiding Wastage. So gutsy guys, go for solar and be kind to save power is the message that we bring to you. We invite everybody, everybody in the country, every Rotarian and everybody who is working for environment to come forward initially with these 2 hours of volunteering, and yes, taste the value that we create with these 2 hours, and then make this program a very big success. We look forward to your signing up, your suggestions, and any further extension of this program. Let us save power and avoid wastage, and then request our governments and demand our governments to avoid pollution. Thank you very much.